Children, today we are going to start chapter number 7 of class 8 subject English 1, a visit to Cambridge. Okay, comprehensive check. The answers I am telling you. First answer is the second one, that is the England was famous for Cambridge. Second, first, from the nearest phone booth. Third, second, he forced the scientist to use his voice synthesizer. Fourth, first, shifting in the wheelchair, turning the wrist. Now working with the text, answer number 1. Now the writer felt nervous because he was doubtful whether he would be granted the interview. Second, he felt excited at the same time because he had been there to see Professor Hawking for half an hour. Second, the answer is the writer's first question might be about Hawking disability and how he had accepted it. Answer number 3. Living creatively with the reality of his weakening body was a choice. Answer number 4. Professor Hawking's mind was full of great ideas, but he couldn't speak them out clearly and forcefully. Answer number 5. Professor Hawking's one-way smile. Answer number 6. The line is before you like a lantern whose walls are worn so thin you glimpse only the light inside is the incandescence of a man. Answer number 7. First, the walls of the lantern in Hawking's case were his skeleton-like physical structure. Second, the glow of the eternal soul was housed within the thin walls of his body. Third, the writer draws conclusion that the eternal soul is more important than the body. Answer number 8. Professor Hawking's message for the disabled is that they should concentrate on what they are good at. It is foolish to try to copy the normal people. After that, answer number 9. The writer spent many years trying to play a big Spanish guitar. One day he loosened the strings joyfully. The incident supports the idea that the disabled people should practice only what they are good at. Answer number 10. The author felt much inspired after meeting with Stephen Hawking. Therefore, he felt grateful to him. Now answer number 11. First one, there was the assistant on the line and I told him I had come in a wheelchair from India. Second, you get fed up with people asking you to be brave as if you have a courage account on which you are too lazy to draw a check. Third, there was tapping at a letter switch in his hand, trying to find the words on his computer. Fourth, you look at his eyes, which can speak, and they are saying something huge and urgent. It is hard to tell what. Fifth one, it doesn't do much good to know that there are people smiling with admiration to see you breathing still. Next, working with the language. Fill in the blanks. The answer first is traveler, second guidance, third successor, fourth paled, 5 cheered, 6 truly, 7 drawn. Now the answers for the second is a reading session, a smiling face, a revolving chair, a walking tour, a dancing doll, a winning chance. Third one, first is both, second all, third all, fourth both, fifth all. Now the fourth one, the answer is fastest, most interesting, easier, short, late, earlier. Now, so we have just done the question and answers and everything. Now you are going to complete your work in your notebooks, the question, answers and all. So complete your work and learn for your exams. Thank you.